Best friend's not going to be home for 2 more hours. Well, you can try to wait up for him, but I don't think you'll make it. Okay, well, you can try. Okay. Where are you going? No, that's not for you. That's my stuff. You're supposed to be in bed. You're a good bird. That's why you're out. If you're not sleepy yet, you can stay up. How late are you going to stay up? Oh, you're not sure? Okay, well, let's watch the shows, okay? The news is on. Are you tired? Well, you can sit here for a little bit, okay? And then go to bed. Yep. You can't have that. Not for parrots.